we can get to our grease fitting that we're going to use. So remember, I show you guys all the time, you can just slide the unit bearing on, and then you can slide in the guts and the rings and the locker, or you can do it as a one piece. So we've got it greased up. We've got this greased up, and of course them other people, they got about 50 or 60 parts, and so I'm going to make sure that he's right side up. Right there, your ABS port. So we're going to slide it on, and we're going to turn it just a little bit, and it just lined up with the splines, and all of a sudden we've got it. There you go, my friends. It's all the way down flush, and we have just mounted our hub. It's that easy.